Kauri Doll here. I'm going to show you how to do a half-up beehive hairstyle in a 60s fashion. What you're going to want to do first is split your hair down the middle. After that, you'll take some dry shampoo, really get it in there. Then you're going to leave out the first two pieces of your hair. After that, you're going to swoop your hair up, starting sort of at your eye line. Scoop it upward toward the top of your crown. Then you are going to tease your hair from the bottom layer, cutting down and teasing again. I went through and teased it a little bit more with a comb. It is easier with one of these. Alright, then a hairspray. And then take a clip or some bobby pins. I prefer bobby pins because it is a little bit cleaner of a look. You're going to take the hair right above your ear and pull it back. You can kind of push it up as well. Then take the front sides, brush them through, and you can either tuck behind your ears or leave out, and there you have it. Another option with your bangs is to brush them through and part them over to one side like so. Remember, every day is a good day to get dolled up.